Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, and inshallah, in this coming clip, I'm going to show you how to use Quran Explorer to memorize Quran. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to open the internet browser. And type the internet browser and then go to Quran Explorer.com and click enter. It will take you into this front introductory page. It blocks the notification, that's fine. It's not bothering me. And then we want to we want to use a portal for PC. Okay, so I'm going to click on Quran portal. Actually, when you click on the Quran portal, there is a submenu here down there. There's a submenu. If you click on it to open the submenu, there is a bug, which is to open another window. Look, and I click here. Okay, it opens another blank window. So, but we close it, we go back here, now the submenu is available. That's just a bug, okay? So we can live with it. So now it's you select Quran Explorer Classic, and I don't like the Classic version. I don't like the Classic version, and doesn't give me or you what we want. So what we want to do is just visit Modern Quran Portal. So click on the Modern Quran Portal. Okay. Now, let's say my homework is, let's say my homework is to memorize Surah Al-Fajr, verse 2 to 3, or verse 2 to 4. So you go here, Surah Al-Fajr. Al-Fajr, here's Surah Al-Fajr, 89. And we want from 2 to 5. Let's say 2 to 5. Okay. Okay. So now I want to listen to it, but I want to memorize. If you want to just listen to it, you can do like this. You can compare different. So now you can see that we have different sheikhs to select your favorite. I recommend, let's see, Sheikh Hosari. So that's Sheikh Hosari that I like to listen to. If you want also to see the translation on the site here, then you can say, okay, let's say translation by Mufti Bechtel, Yusuf Ali. Let's do Bechtel, for example. Here is the translation is going to be on the left. And if you want the translation to be recited in English, you can. You can get it recited in English. But now let's focus on the Arabic one. Now, I'm supposed to memorize these ayat. We said from ayah 2 to ayah 5. Or make it 4. Okay? So this is what we want to memorize. When I memorize, I need, if I just run it this way, look what happens. Okay. So what we want to do, I want to turn off the English recitation. So we come here and we turn it off. So it's not, we're not going to be hearing. Like you say, you don't hear the English translation anymore, but you get highlighted. You get the verse highlighted to you. Okay, now I need to repeat after the sheikh, but there is no room to repeat after the sheikh. Okay, there's no, I want the ayah, after reciting the ayah, I want the program to pause for like 30 seconds or 20 seconds until I repeat the ayah. Okay, so that's what you do. You go into here. The first repeat is 1. The range repeat is 1. The range is from 2 to 4. Okay, so it's just going to repeat 1. And it's going to be continuous play. That's what it is right now. It doesn't pause between the ayahs, so it doesn't give you a chance. It doesn't give you a chance to recite after the sheikh. So you want to say wait, okay, and you can either select an time equal to the recitation of the ayah. Let's see this one. Okay, now let's start. So it stops, pausing, giving me a chance to repeat. Again, stop, pausing, giving me a chance to read. So let me okay. Let me now show you what will happen when I turn on the duration of the current verse. So it will pause as long as the current verse. Okay, so it works like that. وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. Oh, I need the Arabic. Where's, yeah, the translation's off. وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ. Let's say I want to repeat this range from 2 to 4. I want to repeat it. Let's say 3 times. Let's make it 2 times. Okay? All right. So here we go. Start from here. وَلَيَالٍ. That's a bug. I don't know what happened. وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ. وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. Close. Or let me tell you something. Let's just hide the, so that we're not bothered again. وَلَيَالٍ عَشْرٍ. والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر. It's repeating again because I chose the range to repeat twice. وليال عشر. والشفع والوتر. والليل إذا يسر. So now it's repeated 2 times. So it will stop now. Okay. I don't know what's happening here. Okay. Oh, it's moving to the next one. So our range is from 2 to 4. Now, I can choose the verse to be repeated 3 times. Okay. So that I can learn it 3 times. So let's see here. وليال عشر. وليال عشر. وليال عشر. والشفع والوتر. والشفع والوتر. والشفع والوتر. So, okay, I'm going to stop it here. I think the duration, the pausing time, duration of the current verse is not long. It's just a lot, it's too much. So I would make another choice by saying, okay, you wait for 2 seconds. So give me 2 seconds. All right. No. Okay. All right. So let's check here. What do we want here? 2 seconds. All right. And the verse, how many times? Let's check here. Yeah, let's make it 1. And the range is 1. Okay. Which is the default. Let's go. وليال عشر. والشفع والوتر. والليل إذا يسر. Okay. Okay, now we want to make this 1 second or 2 seconds. We want to make it 5 seconds. Let's go. Go. وليال عشر. It will wait for 10 seconds before reading the next ayah. والشفع والوتر. 10 seconds. والليل إذا يسر. That's it. Okay. Now you can save bookmarks. You can mute the sound. You can pause, stop, previous surah, next surah, zoom out, zoom in. If you don't see well, you can zoom in or zoom out. And this one is what? I don't know. I don't know what this one will do. Okay. And okay, that takes me to the web page, that the front page that I started with. And search, you can search. You can search, for example, Ar-Rahman. Oh, that's search in Arabic. Ar-Rahman is in Arabic. Let's say in English, in Arabic. Arabic. So, okay. Ar-Rahman. All chapters, Arabic. Okay. Am I doing something wrong? Okay, let's search for Allah. Something wrong with this. Okay. So let's say in English. In English, yes, all. And then all chapters. Allah. Yeah, okay. So I guess it's searching by English language. I don't know. The Arabic searching is not working for some reason. For some reason, Arabic is not working. So forget Arabic. Yeah, it's not working. And let's change. That's Arabic. Let's make this Allah. Yeah, something wrong with the Arabic search. I'll figure it out and tell you about it later. Okay. All right. There is a bug report. Anything you see wrong, bookmark. You can bookmark the ayat. The Surah 89 verses 2 to 4 creates a URL bookmark that you can put it on your, like you can save it in your bookmarks with your bookmarks so that you can just go straight there. You don't have to go through this extra work of finding the surah and then the ayahs and things like that. You can just create a shortcut that tells you what's the surah number, what's the start ayah, what's the end ayah. And this is what the sheikh is going to read. And hide for the English and tajweed is off. Okay? You feel free to log in if you want. And this is the prayer for the, when you finish the Quran, you pray, this is the dua for finishing the Quran. Okay? So it's really a very nice friend, and you can tell a friend about it. Okay? And that's about it. Okay, let me see how the link works. I think the bookmark here. Okay, so when I click on this, it opens what I want. Okay, and you can actually also play here and say this, let's make it 3 or let's make it 1. Okay, so it will change here. Okay, let's see here. Link, bookmark here. You can cut and paste this bookmark to your bookmarks just by adding, let's say, you add it like this, add page, and it will tell you, it will give you this link here, so you can save it. So anytime you're not in the Quran, you're, let's say you're somewhere else, let's say you're here, and then you go to where you saved it, RE, Quran, listen and search and listen, recite and listen Quran online. It will take me exactly to the place I was at. So just have a bookmark so you can say, okay, I'm going to manage my bookmarks manager. Yes, bookmark. How do you get to bookmark manager? Maybe here? No. Maybe bookmarks, bookmark manager. Okay. And then you can create one group. Okay. You right mouse click and you would say, forgot how to use this thing here. Yeah, add new folder. You say, you call it Quran homework, and then click save. So now we have a Quran homework. Did it go through? Yes, it's right there. You bullet, make it the first one so that you can see it. It can show up here. See, it shows up here as the first one. Okay, as you know, like not the first one. 1, 2, 3, fourth one. I can make it the first like that. Then it's the first one. That's what I recommend doing. And then what happens is that you have this page, and then you want to save this link right here. So you right mouse click on this, and then you say add page, and it will tell you. You can also use this copy, just so that you know what's the actual thing inside. Okay, and then you click save. So the next time I'm doing something else, and then here we go. I want to go do my homework. Go like this and like that. And you can keep using, and you can, the next homework will add up on this homework. Okay, so Surah 89, verse 2 to verse 4. Okay, so this way you actually can also, you don't have to go through the introduction and going through the classic portal and then closing this window and then going back to the advanced or modern. You can just go to it right away. After you create the link, you can just get it to right here. And then you can choose whatever other surahs or ayahs you want. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, I@zaini.net. Thank you.